Hi, I hope everything is great. This is Tyler with Quality Water Treatment, and thank you for checking out our Wisdom Water Analysis System. We're happy to be your quality water consultant, and we just wanted to highlight a couple of key items on your Wisdom Analysis report for you since it contains a lot of great information. Your Wisdom report analyzes data from government and local agencies as well as your local water utility company. Our proprietary algorithm will make educated recommendations based on your specific water quality data. The Wisdom Report will provide a water score grade to show you how your water quality compares to others in your state and across the nation. Some key factors include your water hardness, the number of people who live in your home, the number of bathrooms in your home, and if you have any large tubs or multiple shower heads. With water hardness, it's easily visible when you see the white water spots. Hardness is the amount of dissolved minerals, typically calcium and magnesium, that are in your water. Hardness is measured as GPG, or grains per gallon. We want to see a hardness level of 5 GPG or less. If you have 6 GPG or more, it is considered hard water, and you'll see all of the negative issues that accompany hard water. Our Wisdom analysis takes all of the data and recommends a specific softener capacity size. This is also measured in GPG to help remove the water hardness minerals. Sizes vary from 24,000 to 110,000 GPG. Wisdom recommends the best softener to meet your daily requirements, optimizing for the highest efficiency. We carry a very wide assortment so that you get the best value for your needs. Next, let's take a look at your TDS levels. That's your total dissolved solids, which is basically the amount of stuff in your water. This includes all kinds of organic and inorganic matter like salt, calcium, nitrates, and contaminants. Typically, a TDS of under 250 milligrams per liter is considered okay, and for anything over, you'll want to consider adding a reverse osmosis water filter system to remove the TDS to purify your drinking water. We'll send a more detailed video about the issues of TDS in your water. With regard to the disinfectant used by your water utility company, the two key concerns that our team looks out for is the presence of chlorine or chloramine. Almost all water companies use one or the other. Chlorine and chloramine are used as powerful disinfectants for your drinking water. Chloramine is a powerful chemical which is basically made up of chlorine combined with ammonia. This is very good at killing things, so it makes a very good water disinfectant. But the bad news is that chloramine is linked to so many health issues such as respiratory problems, digestive disorders, and it's nearly impossible to remove with most filters. Also, chloramine is so powerful that it deteriorates the metals in your home's plumbing, pipes, and appliances. It's a shame that the growing trend is for more and more water companies to use even higher levels of chlorine and chloramine to treat our drinking water. This has become a big activist issue that our company is taking up, and we want you to be aware of it. When we see this issue, we highly recommend the SoftPro Whole House Chlorine Plus filter, which neutralizes harsh chloramine and removes chlorine. This also filters out 99% of other toxins and impurities in your water. You'll be getting bottled water quality from every faucet in your home. On your Wisdom Report, we list the contaminants and toxins tested and found in your water supply. You'll see a list that shows contaminants found above legal limit, contaminants found above health guidelines, and other contaminants found. With contaminants found above legal limits, it means that contaminants were found that exceed the minimum safe legal limits set by your local area's regulatory body. Your water company must address these major and illegal concerns immediately. Unfortunately, it already exists in your drinking water, so we recommend solving the issue now with a quality water filter system, so you don't have to worry about it now or in the future. Another area of concern are the contaminants found above safe health guidelines. While not deemed illegal, it's recommended to address these contaminants so that you and your family use safe and healthy water. For other contaminants found, these are toxins below health and legal limits, We don't want to be adding more and more toxins into our bodies. Overall, you should be in control of your own water quality and consider filtering out the contaminants and other toxins that are present. We just want to briefly review our customer's favorite and most popular water softener. It's the SoftPro High Efficiency Softener. You can just click on the product and it will open the product page. The Wisdom analysis will automatically select the recommended size for your needs. This is a true high-efficiency system that will save you up to 75% on salt usage and another 68% savings on water waste. The other traditional non-efficient softeners simply can't compare. What I like best about it is that it's very user-friendly and packed with great features. The SoftPro includes a limited lifetime warranty on the valve and the tank. This is an industry best. And what's great about this system is that many of our customers are able to easily install these themselves, or they simply hire a local plumber or handyman to do the installation. For more details, charts, and comparisons to other major softener brands, just check out our product page. It's got everything over there. Most importantly, the smart money is simply using a quality water softener. It makes great financial sense because the return on investment is usually only 3 to 4 years. We can expand on this later. At the top of the product page, we packaged some of our customers' favorite add-ons. For now, we are offering the Quick Connect hose kits for free. This is only while supplies last. This Quick Connect kit will save a ton of time and effort with the plumbing work. This kit also enables you to quickly and easily disconnect and reconnect the system if servicing is needed. You'll see the other popular options to help purify your drinking water. The SoftPro Whole House Chlorine Plus and the alkalizing reverse osmosis filter systems are the most popular. In our 30 years of experience, we recommend using both together for the highest quality water throughout your home. Again, just let us know if you need more details on these systems. A ton of information can be found on the product pages. Also, we are running a limited time special so that you will get free shipping with your order today. That's over $100 in additional savings for you. We also have several zero interest rate financing options for you as well to consider. Again, if you have any questions, we're here to help. Quality Water Treatment has been helping clients for over 30 years, so if you need help deciding what system works best for you or need support after your purchase, we'll be here. Text, email, or give us a call. Just let us know and we'll also be happy to shoot another video for you to answer any questions that you may have. Again, my name is Tyler. Have a fantastic day.